Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open WaveSpeed AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on sign in button in the top right corner and let the verification to be complete. You can either sign up with your Google account or GitHub account. It's completely up to you. But for this video, I'll go with the Google account and complete the sign up process. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on AI generator from the top menu bar. Here you can create AI images, videos, avatars, and many more. But I'll go with videos, so click on it. Here you'll get access to multiple AI video generation models like Seedance, Van, Happy Hordes, Kling, VEO, and many more. But I'll go with Kling 2.6. Below, you need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, simply copy the prompt and paste it into WaveSpeed AI. Below, add a reference image if needed. Underneath, select the video duration, aspect ratio, and add a negative prompt if needed. Finally, hit the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can log in to WaveSpeed AI using your personal Google account or GitHub account. It's completely up to you. This free tool, WaveSpeed AI, gives you $1 as a sign-up bonus, which you can use to generate free images or videos. You can create up to 2 to 4 free videos each 5 seconds with one account. Once your generation limit is reached, simply sign up again with a different Google account or GitHub account and receive another $1 for free. This way you can get more free generations and generate as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video with WaveSpeed AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.